is anxiety? So it's a response of the body and the mind. We can feel it. And it can also have a lot of physical forms. So I decided to ask my 9-year-old daughter, who is very emotionally literate, very, very emotionally intelligent for her age. I decided to have her help this evening. So she's given me a list um, of things that she thinks children, because these are the things that really affect her. But these are the things, these are the signs that she identifies within herself when she knows she's feeling anxious. And by the way, Bridge the Gap Mental Health helped her with this, as did Green Lane. So I have first-hand experience in how these sorts of companies and organisations help our children. So my 9-year-old daughter said that one of the first things that she experiences when she's feeling anxious is stomach ache. Her heart beats almost out of her chest. She said it really races very quickly. She can feel faint. She can feel dizzy. She can clam up. Another thing she said was that she felt tingly. So these are things that we've explored within her. She has a headache quite often, and she said sometimes it just makes her really, really annoyed. And so we decided to explore. This was quite a good opportunity for me to do a little bit more emotional coaching with her.